Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at capital investment brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Capital investment brokers is a popular Forex and CFD broker with more than 15 years of industry experience. This broker offers hundreds of tradable instruments and flexible accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. As a client, you will get access to a variety of trading tools, updated research material, and beginner-friendly educational videos. Some of the perks of trading with this broker are commission-free Forex trading, and you will have a personal and dedicated account manager as well as 24-hour customer support. Capital Investment Brokers offers over 500 CFD instruments, including cryptocurrencies, energies, commodities, futures, indices, shares, metals, and Forex pairs. There are more than 40 tradable currency pairs, and the spreads on pairs typically start from around 0.6 pips on major pairs. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 200 when trading with capital investment brokers. However, the maximum leverage on Forex pairs is 1 to 500. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will not only be exposing yourself to better market opportunities, but also far greater financial risks. So be sure to use margin responsibly and only within the limits of your budget. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with capital investment brokers, hover your cursor over the Markets tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Capital Investment Brokers customer support team via social media. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. New clients are eligible for a 100% deposit bonus when they open a live account with Capital Investment Brokers. This bonus applies to all account types, but it will only be credited to your account on the final deposit. Bonus offers are subject to specific terms and conditions, so make sure you read the legal documents provided before you make your first deposit. If you own a website or have a large following of traders and investors on social media, you can increase your account balance and earn commission through their affiliate program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you'll receive a cash bonus. As a Capital Investment Brokers client, you can use the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. This platform was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. MetaTrader 4 is highly customizable and secure, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. MetaTrader 4 comes with built-in technical indicators, real-time rates, live charts, trading signals, and market sentiments, and you can access the economic calendar directly from the application. This platform can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can be downloaded for free from this broker's website or Google Play. It can be used on desktops, laptops, and mobile devices, and if you'd prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the web trader. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4, click on the MetaTrader tab. for a full list of features and direct download links. Capital Investment Brokers offers 3 types of accounts. By opening any of these accounts, you will get access to a dedicated account manager, a personal account manager, free daily summaries, and research material. These accounts can be used on MetaTrader 4, and expert advisors are allowed. You can trade Forex pairs commission-free on any of these accounts, and spreads start from 1 pip on average. Despite these accounts being beginner-friendly, you should only open an account once you've had some practice, because the minimum deposit requirements are high, ranging from $500 to $10,000. If you are new to trading, then we recommend practicing on a demo account first, until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. This broker also gives its clients the option of using a swap-free account, subject to terms and conditions. When you open an Islamic swap-free account, no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. However, this account option is only available to Muslim clients. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Capital Investment Brokers offers, click on the Accounts tab. Creating an account with Capital Investment Brokers will only take a few minutes, and creating an account is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Capital Investment Brokers homepage, and then click on the Customers button, and decide to either open a real account or a demo account. What you'll want to do next is complete their online application form. Then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log in to their client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or a withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. Once your account is set up, and you are within the client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, access educational resources, view their trading platforms, and much more. The next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Capital Investment Brokers. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, Astro Pay, and bank transfers. Your account can be funded using US dollars, and the deposit and withdrawal fees will depend on the payment method you choose, the country you live in, and the value of your transaction. You can make a withdrawal using any of the supported deposit methods. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources and research material is a key factor of success. Capital Investment Brokers provides an economic calendar, Forex heat maps, technical analysis, and live rates. If it is your first time trading, we recommend watching their videos to help you get started. One of the best ways to track the performance of instruments is by checking their live rates and live charts, which will make it easier for you to identify opportunities and refine your strategies. Make sure to check the technical analysis page often to stay up to date with the latest financial news. Making informed decisions will significantly improve your chances of success. You can use the economic calendar to gain fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, and consumer price indexes. Economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. We also recommend bookmarking their trading glossary to use as a reference when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice using a free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Capital Investment Brokers has been around for many years, and this broker is a popular choice for trading CFDs and Forex. Capital Investment Brokers offers multiple accounts that can be used for all styles of trading, and there are hundreds of instruments to choose from. Capital Investment Brokers is registered as an IBC in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and seems to be regulated. However, no official license is displayed anywhere on the website, and despite claiming that awards have been received, there is no mention of these awards anywhere else on the website. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Capital Investment Brokers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.